Installation guidance for DX-C30 Vet. The entire installation process is divided into 3 parts: installation environment survey, packaging inspection and unpacking, then installation. Let's go to the first part. Before installation, please inspect the operating environment of the analyzer. Second part, packing inspection and unpacking. Before unpacking, please check whether the appearance of the box is intact. Inside the box, there is an analyzer and an accessory box. Open the accessory box. There are a USB cable, a power adapter, a power cable, a thermal printing paper, a 120L pipette, and a QR scanner. When everything is ready, let's go to the connection part. Connect the power adapter and cord. Take out the thermal paper and install it. Connect the QR scanner. Turn on the analyzer. And it will automatically do self-check. If you want to connect the analyzer to a PC, there are 2 methods: wireless connection and wired connection. Method 1, wireless connection. Go to Settings, Network Interface to connect to the Wi-Fi on the analyzer. And make sure both the analyzer and the computer are connected to the network. Install the driver. Download the Animal Inspection Data Management Platform. Input the username and password, then log into the DMS software by NetLogin. Synchronize data. Method 2, wire connection. Connect the USB cable between the PC and analyzer. The yellow label is for connecting to the PC, and the white label is for connecting to the analyzer. Install the driver. Download the Animal Inspection Data Management Platform. Input the username and password, then log into the DMS software by local login. Synchronize data. That's all for DX-C30 installation. Thanks for watching.